Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a free application for the Android phones in easy steps. Just watch my steps in this video. Now we'll start. Go to connect your Wi-Fi or your modem. Go to Google or Chrome or Firefox. Now we're going to search at Adromo and Adromo, yeah, it's Adromo. We choose the first one in the Google. Yeah, there. Now we are in Adromo. If you don't have an account, just click to the white button or click to the sign up button to the app there and complete the agreement. Now I am already have an account, so I am going to the login. I put my account over there. Yeah, we will create a video in few minutes. We create a application in few minutes. Now I'm putting my password. Login. So now this is my profile. This is my profile. If these are my project which I'm doing, and if you don't have project, just click to the create a new project. Yeah, click to this button, the new project. Yeah, we go. But I already have a new last project, so I'm gonna show you in my project. Yeah, so in the first thing, you put your activities, what your application gonna do. So my first activities was this card. You can go to the themes, and another thing, you're going to design your application, designing pictures, backgrounds, colors, and dashboard. It's the thing that come out. Go to the setting, monetization, to make your account pay money. Then services, the services that your application can do. And when you finish, go to the building. That is a final step. And don't forget, if you are making your things, don't forget to press the save over here. So that's all. And remember to put your Gmail account, because when you finish to make your application, it will send you a download link to your Gmail account in Gmail. So put your original, and this is a trio mode. So do it for the just 1 month for free, and when the month finish, you will start to pay, like mine over here. It tells me to pay. So now, thanks you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.